Hey y'all, it's Jen. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a Christmas grocery haul for you. Dun, 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 meow, 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 meow. That was my intro music. Alright, cut. Alright, so we did Walmart grocery pickup today. I am not going in the store this weekend, not going even into town. You can count on that. I will be far away from that. So anyway, I just tried to pick up everything that we'll need for, of course, this weekend. Today's Thursday, so this weekend, and then leading up to Christmas, Christmas Eve, Christmas morning, and then just a few meals to kind of fill in. So this week when I sat down to meal plan, I just had one of those like days where I wasn't really in the mood for anything specific, like nothing sounded good, and I just couldn't like think about what I wanted. Y'all let me know, do you ever have days like that? So anyway, I just wrote down a whole bunch of ideas and just kind of got things for meals that I know we all like, and that way I can just pick and choose whatever, you know, we're feeling for that day. So that's kind of what I did. I spent about $200, which seems like a lot for what I got back here. I'm like, how did we spend $200? I feel like I'm missing some stuff. But anyway, I guess it is a pretty good amount of stuff. I do have a good amount of meat back there too, so I'm gonna be quiet and I'll just show y'all everything that we got. Okay, so like always, I'm just gonna kind of go around the island. I decided this year on Saturday night, we're gonna do like just our little small family Christmas dinner, just to kind of chill, relax, and you know, just enjoy it with each other. So I thought for that dinner we would do some ribs, and I'm actually gonna probably bake these unless Darren really wants to smoke them, but I've been craving baked ribs. I don't know why. So he says he will smoke them. We'll see. So I got those, and then I got a big pack of chicken. That's for a couple different recipes. I'll go ahead and tell y'all kind of my menu plan. One night I had Swiss chicken in the crock pot. I've shared that. And also, what else was chicken for? I forgot. Something else.
Swiss chicken.
Swiss chicken and... chicken enchiladas. So that'll be for that. And maybe something else. I don't know. So I got some ground beef. That will be for stuffed or tater tot casserole. I have not made that in a long time, and I just thought that sounded really good. And then 1 pound of ground chuck. I got that to grill out hamburgers one night. So then, I do have some sausage. That's for our breakfast casserole. That's what we always do on Christmas morning. Well, that's what we usually do. And then last year I changed it up. Anyway, we did breakfast burritos last year, but just sticking with Old Faithful because I can make it the night before. Don't have to do anything but pop it in the oven the next morning. So as far as produce, got some halos, onions, got 2 things of mushrooms. I've been into like mushrooms lately. I don't know why. Got carrots and celery. I want to make some of that creamy wild rice soup, and actually Darren's been asking for that too. It's really good, and I haven't made that in a while, so that's what I'm gonna do. Oh, just remembered the chicken. I know what the other thing was. I want to make the chicken and dumplings I shared on my last Crockpot video. Those were so good, and it's been about a month since I've made them, and I've been craving them again. So that's what that chicken was for. I knew it was something else. Anyway, got some sweet potatoes. I'm gonna do sweet potatoes and asparagus with our ribs for kind of our Christmas dinner. And then green onions for a cheese ball. Got some more of the steam fresh broccoli, cauliflower, carrot, medley, whatever you call it. And I love this. I've been loving this for my lunches. I actually requested the Great Value. This was a substitution, so that was good. Then I got some french fries, like I said, to do, I might have said that, I don't know, do with our burgers we grill out one night. Tater tots for the tater tot casserole, of course. Got 2 things of the Sister Schubert cinnamon rolls. These are my girl's absolute favorite, which works out perfectly because, again, all you do, open them up, take the little icing pack out, throw it in the oven. You don't have to roll anything out, and that's such an easy thing for Christmas morning. So what we normally do, of course, the girls will get up at the crack of dawn whenever they do, and I'll just go ahead and pop these in the oven so we can have something, they can have something, and then the rest of our family comes over, and that's when I'll do like the breakfast casserole and whatever else we decide to have for like brunch. So got those. Got the Grand's Southern Homestyle biscuits. Those are for the chicken and dumplings. Got sour cream. Got 3 cream of chickens. I got 2 healthy requests and 1 not. I have no idea why I did that or why they did that. Doesn't really matter though. It works all the same. It's all for recipes, of course. Got a can of diced green chilies. That is for my enchiladas. Again, haven't made those in a while either. I was out of minced garlic, so got some more of that. Got lots of cream cheese. I need some for, I can't remember what now. Some kind of recipe I was doing. And then I know I need one for a cheese ball, which is also what the dried beef is for. I might share this. I haven't shared this on my channel yet, and it's a really good one. And I haven't had it in a while either. I guess I'm just craving things I haven't had in a while. Anyway, got some heavy cream. Got our whipped topping. We love to put that on our coffee and hot cocoa and even waffles. Got this humongous 5-pound bag of sharp cheddar. This is for lots of recipes, salads. We're making buffalo wing dip for Christmas Eve, which is kind of what we always do. So that'll get used up. Let's see. First, we'll do everything else right here. I got some flour tortillas for the enchiladas. Sliced Swiss cheese for the Swiss chicken. Got 2 kinds of rice. I like the quinoa and brown rice. And then just an original one to put with a dinner. And then down here, I thought these little napkins and plates were so cute. So these will be for our little brunch. And these are actually dessert plates. I didn't mean to really do that, but I think they'll still be fine. They're still pretty big, enough to put breakfast casserole, maybe some fruit, something like that on. So we've also been really liking the Nature's Own butter buns when we do our hamburgers, and especially when he does them on the flat top. He likes to toast these up, and it's really, really good. I just realized they are like frozen themed. How cute. So I bought 3 cans of this Hunt's tomato sauce. This is actually a shortcut to my homemade tomato soup recipe, which is actually really good. It's more like a tomato bisque. I'll try to remember to link that below if I can. But anyway, a couple of family members have been talking about it, so I figured that's another meal idea I can have on hand if we want to do that. Then also, of course, a gallon of milk. I'm going to skip over those things. I got some Honest Kids juices for the girls at home. And then all these are for school parties to take. Then we got some cans of Sundrop. Darren had already put them outside. And I'm like, wait a minute, I got to do my grocery haul. So got those. Got some paper plates just for everyday stuff. Went ahead and stocked up on the donut shop coffee. That way we'll have enough going through Christmas and people coming over for breakfast and everything like that. Also got some more disposable decorating, like the little piping bags, because we are going to make some more sugar cookies with the girls. And I also needed to replenish my food coloring, so I just went ahead and got that. I really like the gel, the Wilton gels from Michael's, but I didn't feel like going anywhere else, so I just got those. Anyway, got some milk chocolate chips also for another cookie recipe we're going to be making for Santa. Got the stovetop savory herb stuffing mix. That's what goes on the, what am I trying to say? Swiss chicken in the crock pot. And then this is just for crackers for the cheese ball. And I think that's everything over here. And bring y'all guys back this way from Sam's. We got a couple Christmas gifts, but of course I'm not going to show those. I'm going to make the ham and cheese sliders on Christmas Eve. So we always do pickups Christmas Eve. So that's what I'm going to bring. And then, like I said, the buffalo wing dip. I've already shared those recipes, but I might just film it. I'll probably just be vlogging that day anyway. So stay tuned if you're just, you know, if you just want to see that. Also, just have a few things over here on this counter. I just picked up some more microfiber cleaning towels. Just needed to replenish the ones that I have. I really want to start using more microfiber towels instead of paper towels. I'm so bad about that, but I really want to get better about, you know, reusing my towels when I clean and stuff like that. Needed some more makeup remover, makeup cleansing wipes, which I know I said I just wanted to quit using towels, and I bought makeup wipes. But y'all, hey, I'm not perfect. Got some dish detergent, Purex, and then some shampoos for a couple of us. So I will show y'all one thing that we got from Sam's. We have been talking about this for probably, I don't know, close to a year now. It's the Hamilton Beach Flex Brew. I know that Keurig makes one now. But anyway, you can make like a pot of coffee, like the carafe. or also, you know, just the single serve. And we wanted one because on the weekends and stuff, we could just make us, you know, a pot of coffee, but then sometimes, like, we just want a cup. I mean, y'all know how it works. I don't need to explain the thing, but the point is, we've been wanting one. They were on sale at Sam's, so that was kind of our present to each other for Christmas. So anyway, I know a couple people have them. Mandy in the making, she has one, so y'all may have heard her talk about it, but she really loves hers. And so, you know, I asked her if it was a good deal. She said yes. So I was like, okay, we'll get it. So that's one thing that we got from Sam. So I'm excited to try it out. You said you could use the grounds in here too? Like in this thing? Where you at?
In this thing in the bottom. It's got another thing.
Oh.
And you can just open this up and put your grounds in there.
And then you just put it up at the top. Oh my gosh, so you don't have to buy K-Cups.
You don't have to.
That's actually really cool. So, oh my gosh, you look so pretty. Hang on, we'll fix your hair and then I'll show everybody. Alright y'all, that's it for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed our little grocery haul. I just want to say I'm sorry there has not been a lot of content for December. We have just been so busy, and then there was a couple days that I just didn't feel like myself, didn't feel good, but I'm always trying to be better, and I do feel much better. So anyway, thank y'all for sticking with me. I promise everything will be back to normal soon. So for the question of the day, I want to know, do you prefer K-Cups or fresh ground coffee? Well, it don't have to be fresh. Coffee grounds or K-Cups? Let me know down in the comments below. And if I don't see y'all before Christmas, I know I'll be vlogging through Christmas, but if I don't see y'all before, I hope y'all have a very Merry Christmas, and I love y'all, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Hayden wants to show you her outfit. We're going to her Christmas program right now, so I'm going to show you guys that, and then that'll be it. I'll see you guys next time. Bye, y'all. All right, everybody, here is Hayden's little outfit. McKenna had the same one for her program the other night, all down to the sparkly patent shoes. The other night.
It was 3 nights ago.
Anyway, they had the same outfit. Got it from Belk. Really cute. All right, say bye. Say Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas, y'all.
Merry Christmas, y'all.